Hey guys, look at my kitchen. Another big exciting day in my kitchen. Ho, ho, ho. Where are we going, guys? Obviously, we're doing something fun. We're going to do a Santa's Hat Martini. So listen, if you really want to get something crazy going for Christmas, you know, traditionally a lot of people leave like cookies and milk. You leave one of these puppies around for Santa, something's going to happen. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm telling you, you're probably going to get some different kind of gifts. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm allowed to say, actually, because I don't want to end up on the naughty list. All right, so what do you say? Let's go over ingredients. Let's start having some fun. Ingredient number one, you're going to need vodka. Ingredient number two, you're going to need some pomegranate juice. Ingredient number three, you're going to need some Cointreau martini. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're going to add a little Italiano with some Prosecco, which is going to be fantastic. I'm so excited, I'm having trouble talking. We're gonna need some lime juice. If any coconut flakes come out, I was chewing on some coconut flakes before we got started. You're gonna need lime juice. Yes, Fluffernutter. Yes, I had some a little while ago. I gotta tell you, I haven't had Fluffernutter. I'm gonna say it's probably been 20 years since I put Fluffernutter in my mouth, but I'm telling you, right back to that Fluffernutter sandwich. There's no doubt about it. We're gonna want some pomegranates, you know, chilled or frozen, which is always nice. We're gonna want some coconut flakes, unsweetened ideally, because you're putting it with the fluff. So, you know, I think it adds a nice flavor. I've had it with sweetened and unsweetened. Unsweetened is my favorite. We're gonna need some ice. We're gonna need a shaker, martini glass. I got 4 of them here. We got Santa, Mrs. Claus, Santa's helper, and Rudolph. I don't know if you guys knew this or not, but Rudolph loves Santa Hat Martinis, you know what I mean? He's only allowed one because he's directing the sleigh. And if you want to get through Christmas in time, you know, cut Rudolph at 1. Knowing you guys are going to love this drink, make sure you give us a subscribe, a thumbs up, hit that notification bell. First thing I want to do, I want to get that martini glass ready to go. What you want to do, take your fluff. You want to go inside the glass and then outside the glass. Now, I like to do a little bit like billowy because you're trying to make it, you know, like Santa's hat here, guys. So, and then just go right around the outside. All right, next, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Santa hat here, and then I'm going to do a little sprinkle right on the outside. That's what you're looking for right there. So these are frozen pomegranates. So what I'm going to do is just put a little something in the bottom of each of these. So with our 4 glasses here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 ounces of vodka. I'm going to do 2 ounces of pomegranate, 1 ounce of lime juice, and 1 ounce of Cointreau. So let's get our limes going first. I'm gonna need about 1 ounce of my lime juice, which should be about 1 lime. I'm gonna take my shaker, I'm gonna throw some ice in here, and you'll love these Mackenzie Child dishes. I don't know if you guys noticed that, we got quite a few here. I'm an affiliate for them, so when you can, just hit the link down below. That helps out the channel, helps support our channel. So I got my 1 part lime, pop that in. I've got my 1 part Cointreau. Throw that in. Beautiful. My pomegranate juice, I'm going to do 2 shots of that. Or 2 parts, let's say. And then here comes the big guy here, guys. We're going to do 3 parts of vodka. This is what keeps Santa coming back. You want to stay on the nice list. This is what I'm talking about right here. Beautiful. And then we're going to give it a good shake. Okay, guys, so then you're going to fill this up and just leave it a little bit shy, just below the rim of your fluff. Santa, Mrs. Claus, Elf Helper, Rudolph. Ho, ho, ho. Last ingredient, guys, is our Prosecco. So I'm going to share something in life. There's a couple of sounds in life that are absolutely fantastic. And one of the most wonderful sounds ever is the popping sound of a bottle of champagne, in this case, Prosecco. Oh, party time. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna put that little extra splash on the top, and then you're just gonna go right up to the top. Oh, that's good, that's good. Here's the other tip on our cocktail napkins. The trouble with troubles, it starts off with fun. You know what I mean? So we're gonna have some fun. These are fantastic. I'll tell you what makes these come out absolutely delicious is when you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, a notification bell, and definitely join the family at Cooking Italian with Joe. It smells good. I love, you guys know if you watch the channel, I love Prosecco, so. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Now I know why he says ho, ho, ho. Man, that's good stuff. You know, I love the sweetness. I'm a fluff guy. And I love coconut. It's one of my favorite flavors next to nutmeg. And then you get the Prosecco, the pomegranate. You know, I like the vodka. It's not too strong. It's just enough, you know. Get 2 or 3 of these puppies in you, I'm ready to, you know, pack the tree. You know what I mean? You know, I love it. I love that pomegranate, that Cointreau. You get that little orange. The Prosecco gives you that little bit of texture on the tongue, you know. The deliciousness. It's smooth. It's Christmassy. It's not too sweet. Oh, it's just perfect. That is Christmas in a glass. There's no doubt about that. Guys, what a delicious drink. What a lot of fun. I love aesthetically just how beautiful this is. And it just goes so well with Christmas. You play a little music in the background. You get that bottle of Prosecco popping. I'll tell you, it's a great way to start off any party. Thanks so much for joining me, guys, in our kitchen today. Don't forget, real important, hit this subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a notification bell. Make sure you check out our Mackenzie Child cookware link. Really support the channel. And last but not least, guys, really, and the main reason we do our videos is, you know, once a week, once a month, get around the table with your family and friends. Make some martinis. They're going to be friends by the end of that outing, I can tell you that. And you know what? Celebrate your heritage, whatever that might be. But most important, you guys, you're going to set traditions of love. What better time of the year is Christmas? They're going to last you a lifetime. I know they did for me. Hey, guys, from my kitchen to yours, until next week, mwah! Buon appetito!